Greasy pans can be really annoying, especially when you have to wash those pans for about 3, 4, or God knows how many times with your dishwash liquid soap or bar soap to just remove the oil stain. What would you do is what are we going to show on how today. So stay with us. So friends, this is the pan that I just fried something in, and you can see it's greasy. I have not put water as yet. Here I have taken gram flour and I am just going to dust a little gram flour around the pan nicely. So you do not require much of a quantity, just what would be required for scrubbing it around the pan. So as you can see, I'm just using the gram flour, taking it all around the pan and trying to cover the full pan. This basically I will do till the full pan is covered with gram flour and I could see the way the oil is pulled by this gram flour here. If you see, the oily sides are darker yellow and the one which has no oil on it to absorb is still same light yellow in color, and it doesn't stick that easily to the pan. So this is very good. Even gram flour is good to remove smell from your dishes, in case if you have some bad smell or coming from your utensils. Now I will just wash it clean without any soap for the first time. Just remove all the gram flour which is sticking to the pan. By now there is no oil at all. This now I will clean with normal soap, dishwash soap, as we normally clean our pots and pans here. And just once is more than enough, and your pan is grease free, there's no oil at all. So I'll show you how it looks here. This is how exactly the pan looks once the oil is gone. At the ends that you see is just water stains. So friends, I hope today's hack is going to come in use for y'all during your kitchen busy schedule trying to remove the oil stains from your pans, pots, and do try it. Let me know what do you have to say about this hack. How did it work for y'all? Also, for those of y'all who would like to share some hacks with us, do send us your comments or emails and we'll ensure to show them on our channel mentioning your name against the hack. For those of y'all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget and click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that you see besides it to get updates on all my upcoming videos. Do not forget, please do share my hacks with your friends and family so that it would be helpful for someone else out there. I'll see you in another episode of How.